Hey guys, Big Dan Bates from Bates Photography, or should I say, Bates Photography on the Road. That is our brand new Grand Design Imagine 2150 RB travel trailer. And Eileen and I are going to be traveling around over the next couple of months, doing some on-the-road photography. So we're going to continue to bring you some photography content, how-tos, things of that nature. But we're also going to be blending in there some RV content. So we thought this would be a great marriage because there are RVers out there who are amateur photographers, and this may draw on that audience so they can learn how to be better photographers. And there are a lot of photographers who are trying to find better ways to travel, and believe me, this isn't too shabby. And so the wife and I are very excited to be taking this journey. We're going to be going to shore areas and mountain areas and forests and open prairies and you name it. So we'll be generating probably a good bit of content over the next few months. Once the dead of winter hits, it'll slow down a little bit, but I'll try to roll out these videos at a pace to carry us through. And then come spring, we'll be right back at it. Just already what we know on tap, we're going up to Rhinebeck, we're doing some Vermont, Montreal, we're going to be heading down the coast to Savannah, Georgia, Charleston, South Carolina, we're going out to Asheville, Gatlinburg, Tennessee area, North Carolina. So we're going to be going all over the place. Hopefully we're bringing you guys a lot of good content. Like I said, there's going to be a lot of video tours and RV stuff in there, how-tos, repairs, upgrades. We'll be doing obviously a tour of the RV now I have it all upgraded and fitted out the way I want it. But along the way there's going to be tons of photography content as well, especially with probably a lot of drone stuff. We're doing a lot of videos, tours of areas. I'll probably be showing a lot of campgrounds, things like that. I'm sure me and my wife will both be doing some vlogging along the way, but it should be pretty cool, and it's more than anything it's going to kind of jumpstart me and my desire to create content again. After I kind of covered everything I wanted to cover, things got a little slow on the channel, so hopefully this will kind of revive it. So we look forward to hearing comments and feedback from all of our adventures, so please subscribe, you know, give feedback, leave comments if there's something you like or something you'd like to see. And you know, I'm always happy to try to cover all bases and answer all questions. You guys have a great day, and I hope you come along for the adventure.